It's almost 9 o'clock, so I think so most of the stores are already closed, but there are still some that are still open. So this is just outside Ayala Triangle, where you can watch the light show. So let's see what we can buy at this time. There are stuff. You can also buy gifts.
Hi sir, ma'am. Bishop Watches po, ma'am.
Siomai. A lot of people here. So looks like most of the open stores are here. Oh yeah, a lot of stores are still open at this time, 9 o'clock. Because the light show runs until 10 p.m.
Hi ma'am, also help.
Hello.
Ma'am, try niyo po ma'am. Combination po siya ng fruits and vegetable. So all natural, no preservative po.
Okay.
No added sugar.
What's the
Then
flavor?
no cholesterol po.
Ano flavor?
Combination po siya ng mango sweet potato and banana.
Sarap. How much po?
90 pesos per pack. Pero meron kaming promo. Instead of 3, 225 na lang siya.
Ah, okay. Sige, tingin mo muna ako ya. Thank you. Masarap siya. Masarap. Potato, sweet potato, banana. Thank you.
Ah, hindi sa kanya takoyaki.
They give free taste. That's awesome. Oh, they have puto bongbong.
Si Sir Eugene muna. Amigi.
Bibingka and puto bongbong.
Amigi.
They have wings. Wings. Sorry. Coffee. I don't think I can have coffee at this time. There's ice cream. Beef. Pineapple.
Yes, ma'am, we did po.
How much po ito?
Yes, ma'am.
Magkano po?
179 pesos po. Yan po yung beef sausage. Burger steak, 179 pesos.
Tingin po na. Thank you. Hanggang anong oras po pala to? 10. 11 or 12? Ah, until 11 or 12. Okay, thank you. Daan na. Oh, so this street meat is open until 11 to 12. It's Sunday. I'm not sure if they're open on Saturday. I'll ask later.
Dito kami sa mga kainan. Sa mga kainan gawin.
They have barbecue as well. Ate, tuwing Sunday lang po ba to?
Ano, once a month.
Ah, once a month lang to. Okay. Tuwing kailan po every month? Per Sunday? Ano ba yun? Parang pangalawang Sunday na to. O, pangalawang Sunday. Ah, so depende. Iba-iba. Once a month siya. I see. Okay, thank you. Okay, so this street market is open once a month here. It's along Paseo de Rojas Avenue. So they closed the road for this. Hello. Tipsy Queen. So I guess it's alcoholic. Popsicles. No coffee.
Ay, wala ka rin pananda ng bag.
Deep fried watermelon. Takoyaki. Fried watermelon. Ano po yung deep fried watermelon? Dini-deep fry po ito? Oh, ano po yun?
80 pesos lang po. 6 na piraso kasi yung laki ng golf ball.
Na watermelon, then deep fried.
Yes.
Ano pong lasa nun? Ngayon ko
Sarap
na-
po, bestseller po namin.
Ah, talaga? Magkano po yung ganun?
80 pesos na.
80 pesos.
Opo, 6 na piraso na siya kasi yung laki ng golf ball.
Tapos ipiprito nyo. Sige, balik ako. Ikot lang ako. Parang interesting, babalikan ko yan. Thank you.
Hello ma'am, try niyo po. Deep fried watermelon, deep fried Oreo for dessert. 80 pesos lang.
Maryland chicken.
And then popcorn
Deep
chicken
fried
po.
watermelon.
May rice na siya kasama.
Mandos din siya.
Ay ma'am, bisa na.
How about yung price?
Hi ma'am.
Fruit salad. I think I want fruit salad.
You like this?
Okay, so the tables are over there. Oh, it's a long area they got. It's along Paseo de Rojas. The other side of the road is open. Traffic isn't bad here in Makati every Sunday. So, there. I think I'll have the watermelon, the deep fried watermelon. Fruit infused water. Ano po ito? Ay, fruit infused.
That's lemon and basil. That's strawberry.
Ah, water. Then infused. How much po yung ganyan?
60 lang. Same for all the same
Ah, for
All natural.
Ito po is fresh fruit salad. Tapos we have different po na flavor sauces. We have yogurt, milk tea, and the original cream.
How much po dito?
That's 100 pesos.
Oh, 100.
Masarap po yung milk tea and yogurt.
Dito lang po ba kayo sa street meat?
Actually, first time na.
Ah, first time. Okay, I see. Kasi ngayon ko lang din ako sa street. Okay, ikot lang muna ako. Thank you.
We do have Facebook, ma'am. The
Fruit stand. Okay, the fruit stand page. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, that's cool. That's a nice Manila cookie store. Ate, kukuha po ako ng watermelon. Deep fried. Apo. Ay, sorry, masama ka. Thank you, 80 pesos. Pwede po bang tingnan kung paano piniprito? Pwede po bang kunan ng video?
Nire-reheat na lang po ng
Ah, nire-reheat. Pwede po bang tingnan? Pwede lumapit doon. Okay lang. Okay lang naman. Sorry. Thank you.
Deep fried watermelon?
Yeah.
Okay, now.
Just wanna take a video of it. I'm curious because it's my first time.
These are all my grandma's recipes.
Oh, cool. From Washington, D.C.? Washington, D.C.? Okay. Apo, you're speaking Tagalog. Okay, cool.
Konti lang.
That's cool.